In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your logo using Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva is an incredibly powerful yet user-friendly graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals, even if you're not a professional designer. Whether you're starting a new business or just want to update your branding, designing a custom logo can make a huge impact. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you haven't already, take a moment to sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with Canva's homepage. In the search bar located at the top of the page, go ahead and type in logo. This will bring up a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point for your design. After searching, you'll see a range of free logo templates to choose from. Take some time to browse through these options. You'll notice a plethora of styles, colors, and designs tailored to different business types and personal aesthetics. Pick a template that resonates with the vibe you're going for in your brand identity. Remember, a good logo reflects the essence of your business, so choose wisely. Once you've selected a template, click on it, and you'll see the option to customize this template. Click on this button and now you're in the Canva design editor where the real magic happens. At this stage, you can begin to adjust the elements of the template to better fit your brand's color scheme and style preferences. Now let's focus on making it truly yours. Click on the design menu to edit various components of your logo. Here you can alter the text by clicking on the elements to change the font style, size, and color. If the template image isn't quite right for your look, feel free to remove or replace it with another you find in Canva's extensive library of design elements. Next, explore the Elements tab found on the left side of the interface. This tab is filled with icons, symbols, and other graphics that you can incorporate into your logo design. Spend a few moments experimenting with shapes, lines, and other elements that might enhance your overall design. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your canvas and position them as you see fit. As you're working through your design, keep an eye on the overall composition. You want your logo to be visually appealing but also functional and scalable. This means it should look good whether it's on a billboard or a business card. Once you're satisfied with your logo design, it's time for the final step, exporting it. In the top right corner, hit download and select your preferred file type. For versatility, you might want to choose PNG or PDF. And there you have it, your very own custom logo designed in Canva, ready to go in just a few minutes. Play around with different templates and elements to see what unique spin you can put on your design. Happy designing!